Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best electric screwdrivers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. CACOOP Electric Cordless Screwdriver Rechargeable Set. The CACOOP electric screwdriver is worth investing your money because it makes drilling and screwdriver work a breeze for users. The tool is an excellent option to consider because of the versatility that it offers. Simultaneously, you can get your work done at a much faster pace with convenience that requires much less effort. The prominent feature of this electric screwdriver is that there are 442 torques to the screws. In addition to that, you can use it to drill through 2 inches of wood or 7 to 8 inches of steel material with speed at 2x. Moreover, the metal chuck on the drill does not melt even after long hours of use. The adjustable torque gives you freedom in doing multiple hammer drilling and screwdriver tasks without an issue. Hence, the 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery lasts for a long time and takes about only 90 minutes for a full recharge. At number 4. Milwaukee 2601 22-18V Li-ion Compact Drill Kit. The Milwaukee screwdriver is compact and easy to use. Also, it carries all the accessories in one single case, so you won't spend extra bucks on buying the different parts for the driver. The screwdriver is light in weight so that everyone can conveniently use it. It offers a good value for money, considering the number of accessories that are part of the set. The 8V motor provides excellent performance and moderate speed so you can get your DIY projects and small fixtures done in no time. The control is on both sides of the screwdriver, which makes it quite easy and versatile to be used in different situations. The heavy-duty 2-speed metal gear box is not only durable, but allows speeds of 0 to 350 revolutions per minute as low and 0-1400 in high. Other features include a built-in LED light to illuminate work surfaces. All of these features are packed into a lightweight, 4-pound form factor. Standard equipment includes the drill tool, 2 18V Li-ion batteries 4811-1815, 30-minute charger 4859-1801, and carrying case. At number 3. Skil Rechargeable 4V Cordless Screwdriver. Skil SD screwdriver is the electric screwdriver you need to have if you want one with high performance and a low budget. It is easy and straightforward to use. Hence, the Skil screwdriver works great for everyday tasks and DIY projects. The screwdriver comes with 10 bits to accommodate 10 different types of screws. Moreover, with its compact yet ergonomic design, you can easily use it for working in small spaces. Also, the lithium battery helps in charging it up quickly and lasts for a good time. The 2-finger trigger offers a secure grip to users. Moreover, you can conveniently use it at night as this screwdriver has LED lights for work. The Skil 4V pistol grip rechargeable screwdriver is the IXO replacement, the go-tool for almost any household task. The LED lights help illuminate the work area. The integrated lithium-ion battery conveniently recharges anywhere via micro USB. The ideal tool for use in a variety of applications around the home, tightening cabinet hinges, replacing wall covers, installing shelves. At number 2. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Driver. This BLACK+DECKER drill kit is designed to deal with the majority of your everyday DIY needs around your house and backyard. Moreover, with the ease of use and a comfortable grip, the cordless driver is an excellent option to consider. Firstly, the lithium-ion technology ensures that the battery lasts for a reasonably long time. Additionally, the impressive feature of this screwdriver is the 24-position clutch. Hence, it lets you adjust the driver in a manner that it can tackle any screwdriver task easily. And, you will only find this precision typically in premium screwdrivers. Moreover, at this price, the LD120VA is surprisingly light in weight and offers excellent comfort while you are working with it. And, for a firm and secure grip, the screwdriver has a rubberized handle. At number 1. BLACK+DECKER 4 volts max cordless screwdriver. For high-precision projects where you need a tool that is easy to handle, the BLACK+DECKER cordless screwdriver will save the day for you. In fact, TT is an excellent choice for home fixtures as it will suit well to the needs of homeowners. The pivoting handle is among the highlight features of this electric screwdriver, due to which you can use it in different orientations as it is compact and convenient to use. Also, the 4 volts battery provides enough power for screwing in through plastic, metal, and wood. The independent flashlight ensures that you continue to work efficiently. Therefore, even in low-light conditions, you'll be able to use it. So, it is a great tool to keep at home or in your vehicle for easy access on the go. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.